was that ant that stood up to me?
Yeah, but we can forget about him.
Yeah, it was just one ant. One ant.
You're right. It's just one ant.
Yeah, boss, they're puny.
Puny? Say, let's pretend this green is a puny little ant.
Huh. Like I care. Just get a life and stop going to Chuck E. Stupid's. Now go to your stupid room.
Stop.
You stupid little bald kid.
Fox, Bunny,
Carter, Weasel.
you dirty rat.
I'm Craig, and welcome to Juggle University. Wait.
I guess I ripped my pants again. Oh, seriously?
Ew, it's all icky from your boy juices.
This is not part of the demonstration.